In 1913, through X-ray experiments, Henry Moseley showed that atomic number Z of an element is a more fundamental property than its atomic mass A. So, atomic number was adapted as the basis of then developed periodic table, and it became the modern periodic table. Modern periodic law states physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. Periodic table means a tabular arrangement of elements in groups and periods, highlighting the regular trends in properties of elements. This is the skeleton picture of the modern periodic table. We can see here there are 18 groups and 7 periods. Two rows which we have written over here are color coded and represented here. If we try to incorporate all these elements here itself, then this is how long form of periodic table looks like. In modern periodic table, there are 7 horizontal rows called as periods and 18 vertical columns called as groups. Apart from identifying vertical columns with the group number, there is one more way of naming them. Group 1 is called as 1A, Group 2 is called as 2A, Group 13 is called as 3A, Group 14 4A, 15 5A, 16 6A, 17 7A, 18 0. Group 11 is called as 1B, Group 12 is called as 2B, Group 3 is called as 3B, 4 4B, 5 5B, 6 6B, 7 7B, 8th, 9th, 10th is called as Group 8. This way of numbering a group is actually in accordance with Mendeleev's periodic table. Elements which are in group 1 are called as alkali metals. Elements which are in group 2 are called as alkaline earth metals. Elements which are in between group 3 and group 12 are called as transition elements. Elements which are in between group 13 and group 18 are called as post-transition elements because they are coming after transition elements. Elements which we have written down over here, which are actually the part of period 6 and 7, they are called as inner transition elements because they come in between alkaline earth metals and transition elements. Let us fill the elements of second period in this periodic table. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Along with the general name post-transition elements, these groups are having specific group name. This is called as boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family is called as chalcogens, fluorine family is called as halogens, helium family or the neon family is called as noble gases or inert gases. Coming to the inner transition elements, sixth period inner transition elements are called as lanthanides. Seventh period inner transition elements are called as actinides. Let us repeat the terms associated with the modern periodic table. Vertical columns are called as groups. Horizontal rows are called as periods. Group 1 elements are called as alkali metals. Group 2 elements are called as alkaline earth metals. Group 16 elements, that is oxygen family, are called as chalcogens. Group 17 elements, that is fluorine family, are called as halogens. Group 18 elements are called as noble gases or inert gases. Group 1, 2, 13 to 17 elements are called as representative elements, main group elements or normal elements, meaning all alkali metals, all alkaline earth metals, all post-transition elements leaving noble gases are called as representative elements or main group elements or normal elements. If we try to mark, then all group 1, group 2, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 elements are called as representative elements. Period 3, group 1, 2, 13 to 17 elements are called as typical elements. Let us mark again. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine are called as typical elements. Note the point. All typical elements are representative elements, but all representative elements are not typical elements.